I told you that a simple drink could help boost your immune system, improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, and even promote glowing skin? Clove water is one of the most powerful natural remedies, packed with essential nutrients and medicinal properties that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The best part? It's easy to make, inexpensive, and provides incredible health benefits. Cloves are dried flower buds from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, but don't be fooled by their small size. These tiny buds are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can improve overall health. When cloves are soaked in water, they release their potent compounds, making it easier for your body to absorb all their goodness. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 amazing benefits of clove water and how to prepare it at home. Stay until the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Number 10. Boosts immunity. Clove water is one of the best natural drinks to strengthen your immune system. Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight infections, bacteria, and viruses. This makes clove water an excellent natural remedy during flu season or whenever your body needs extra protection. Drinking clove water regularly can prevent colds, coughs, and other infections by keeping your immune system strong. Number 9. Improves digestion and relieves bloating. Do you struggle with indigestion, bloating, or stomach discomfort? Clove water can be your natural solution. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping break down food more efficiently and reducing gas and bloating. They also have antibacterial properties that help eliminate harmful bacteria from the gut, promoting a healthier digestive system. Drinking clove water after meals can prevent acidity, ease stomach cramps, and improve digestion. Number 8. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or high blood sugar, clove water can be a helpful addition to your diet. Studies have shown that cloves help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose metabolism. The compounds in cloves slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Drinking clove water in the morning on an empty stomach can help maintain balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. Number 7. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight naturally, clove water can be a great addition to your routine. Cloves help boost metabolism and improve digestion, which allows your body to burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, clove water reduces cravings and suppresses appetite, making it easier to control overeating. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, drinking clove water can help support your weight loss journey. Number 6. Improves oral health and freshens breath. Do you often struggle with bad breath or gum problems? Clove water can help. Cloves have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath and preventing cavities. Gargling with clove water can also help soothe gum pain, fight infections, and improve overall oral hygiene. This is why cloves are commonly used in toothpaste and mouthwashes. Number 5. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Clove water is a natural pain reliever thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The compound eugenol in cloves helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it an excellent remedy for arthritis, muscle pain, and joint stiffness. Drinking clove water can help ease discomfort and improve mobility, especially for those suffering from chronic pain conditions. Some people even use clove water as a topical remedy by applying it to sore muscles for fast relief. Number 4. Promotes healthy skin. If you want glowing and youthful skin, clove water can be a game changer. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, preventing premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. Its antibacterial properties help combat acne, pimples, and skin infections. Drinking clove water regularly purifies the blood, reduces skin inflammation, and promotes a clearer complexion. Some people also use clove water as a natural toner by applying it to their face for a fresh and healthy glow. Number 3. Supports heart health. Clove water is great for your heart because it helps regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. The antioxidants in cloves protect the heart from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, prevents blood clotting and promotes smooth blood flow. If you want to support your cardiovascular health naturally, adding clove water to your daily routine is a smart choice. Number 2, improves liver health and detoxifies the body. Your liver is responsible for filtering toxins from your body, and clove water can help support its function. Cloves have detoxifying properties that help remove harmful substances from the liver, reducing the risk of liver diseases. Regular consumption of clove water helps stimulate liver enzymes, improve digestion, and flush out toxins. This makes it a fantastic natural remedy for keeping your body clean and healthy from the inside out. Number 1, enhances respiratory health. If you suffer from coughs, colds, asthma, or other respiratory problems, clove water can be incredibly beneficial. Cloves have expectorant properties that help loosen mucus, making it easier to clear your airways. They also have anti-inflammatory effects, which can reduce throat irritation and ease breathing difficulties. Drinking warm clove water can soothe sore throats, reduce congestion, and improve lung health. Now that you know the incredible benefits of clove water, here's how to make it. Take 3 to 5 whole cloves and soak them in a glass of warm water overnight, around 6 to 8 hours. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach for best results. If you prefer, you can also boil the cloves in water for 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool, and then drink it. For added benefits, some people mix clove water with honey, lemon, or cinnamon to enhance its flavor and medicinal properties. Clove water is an easy, natural, and powerful remedy that can transform your health in multiple ways. Whether you're looking to boost immunity, improve digestion, reduce pain, or promote glowing skin, this simple drink is worth adding to your daily routine. Try drinking clove water for a few weeks and see the difference for yourself. If you found this information helpful, share it with others so more people can benefit from the healing properties of cloves. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.